Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to show you how I make my own DIY custom press-on nails. Today we're going to be doing a coffin shape, and I've already prepped my practice nail stands. These stands are pretty awesome. They're magnetic, so you can take them out to work on one nail at a time. And I'm using Gorilla mounting putty to adhere the nails onto the stands. So this comes with an acrylic base with 5 different nail stands, magnetic nail stand holders. And I got this as a set of 4 that came in 4 different colors. I believe it was silver, rose gold, gold, and pink. I can't tell the difference between any of the colors. They look exactly the same to me. I guess this one might be silver, this might be pink or rose gold. Anyways, I've prepped all my coffee nails according to my size, and excuse the background noise. If you follow me for a while, you know that I am a full-time mom, and the only chance I get to film my videos is in the same room as my child while I watch him. Oh, okay, he wants to do the video too. He wants to be in the video, okay. Alright, come over here, come here. So I just got this BT Art Box false nails in the mail from Amazon. Everything I use in this video, I will try to include the link down below. Okay, he's like, he wants to film, but when I asked him, I was like, oh, you want to film? Then he's like, no, you do it. Anyways, alright, go ahead. Anyways, these are coffin-shaped nails. No, not coffin, I'm sorry. These are ballerina. I don't know what the difference between coffin and ballerina is. I guess ballerina is more of an extreme coffin shape. Anyways, these sizes, if you do have smaller nail beds, this BT Art Box is probably going to be your best choice. This was the #1 choice on Amazon, and I guess this brand is the go-to brand for this shape nail, especially for press-ons. And yeah, I decided to give them a try, and they fit a lot better. There's actually one that fits my pinky, so I wear a size 10 in the pinky, size 3 in the thumb, and size 7 on my other 3 fingers in the middle. Sorry, it's early in the morning and he's still a little cranky. I'll be right back. Okay, he is sitting next to me now, so he's gonna be louder. Alright. Baby, what color is this?
Black.
No, in here, in the circle.
It's a circle. It's a brown and black.
This is brown? I was trying to go for like a winter maroony color, but
I want to play it. I want to play it too.
What color is in here?
It's pink.
In here. And the bottom color?
And the bottom cover is pink.
It's pink?
It's one to play polish.
Is this pink and pink?
It's one to play it. It's raining too.
Anyways, these are Bundle Monster BMC color shifting gel pigments. Let's take a look. Let's see what color this is.
I'm playing covers.
What color is this, baby?
Mama. Hi, Mama. It's playing too.
Yeah, you're playing too.
It's one to pick a wheel.
Okay, don't drop it, okay?
It's one pick a wheel too.
Let's see. Let me find a color. I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to go in a different direction. I'm going to be using this kind of more cheerful green color. Alright, sorry guys, I might just have to voice over this whole video because someone keeps whining into my video, huh baby?
Hi Mama, I just want to pick a wheel.
Yeah, okay.
You want to do it?
You keep saying that, but you're not doing it. Anyways, so here is the green. I'm going to just paint all these nails with a base. If you're doing these to sell or you want them to be reusable and... Shh, mommy's talking, baby, quiet. If you want them to be reusable or if you're selling them to a client, you're going to want to buff the nail surface. Me, I'm just still kind of experimenting with these tips, so I kind of want to see if the gel will even slip off or peel off and things like that. Hold on. Okay, so I'm using Born Pretty Store number 98. And this looks like a kind of lime green, which would be cool because if you follow me on my channel, I do sublimation videos and I have something that may be close to this color coming up. So I think I might want to do some of these a brighter nail since this year's been so crazy and kind of dark. Let's do something bright to cheer us all up, shall we? Okay, so let's get to painting. I guess I'll start with this one first. And I just like to take it off the mount sometimes. Alright, it's gonna be hard for me to see where to paint. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Alright, hopefully this is focused. Also don't know how. Oh, goes up quite a bit. Okay, this is a lot more sheer than I was expecting.
Is my paper peel?
No problem.
It is still a paper peel.
Okay. This may take a while. I don't think this is helping because it's so out of focus. Let me just paint this off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the nails look like after 3 coats. And it's a really pretty green. I'm trying to decide what I should embellish this with. Should we add some chrome, add some jewels, or just leave it like this? It's kind of nice plain too. But let me finish the other hand and we'll be right back. Alright, so I decided to add some nail foils that literally just came in the mail and I wanted to test them out because I was just too excited and I didn't actually film, but let me just show you if this will focus. There we go. Look at how cool that is. It was so easy to do too. I'm going to show you how I did the foils on the other set. Right now I'm just carrying on the what is it called? Foil glue gel. Yeah, here we go. This is from Modelones. It's the nail foil glue gel. I'll do a full review and unboxing of the kit that I bought in my next video. But just to finish up this set, since I was kind of stumped on what design to do for this lime green set. Lime green's kind of like a, not a very neutral color. Oh, I guess it could be. Right, I think I just ran out of ideas at the moment. But yeah, so what I have are 3 flower foils on here. They're kind of like clear, so they're white. You can just see the white design. The foils save a lot of time from having to paint them on yourself. Let me just zoom in really close for you to see. For my first try, this is my very first nail, and I think it came out really well. Like, I've seen a lot of videos saying how Modelones nail foil glue was hard to work with and it's not as easy or clear as Macart, but I don't know, you tell me in the comment box down below, what do you think about this transfer? Because I think it came out really decent, but then again, I can't see that well, so maybe it doesn't look good, but to me it looks pretty good. And then if you touch this nail, it kind of feels like flock. What I did was I just sanded down my top coat like very lightly with my 180 grit file, and it made the top matte and a little bit kind of like fuzzy feeling. And this is after I wiped it down with alcohol too, so I know it's not just the shavings from filing. And then this third nail again is a nail foil with the white flowers. I wanted to just pick something that I would be able to see on the green background, so I just picked like this white, I think it's white, flower of nail foil. And then this again is the same fuzzy flock texture, using that method I just described of just slightly buffing your glossy top coat. And yep, and then again the pinky nail foil. So yeah, let me check on the set in the lamp, and then I'll be right back to show you how to apply the foils. Okay, so here is the nail with the glue on there. Let me get this positioned again. And here are the parts that I've used already. And you want to make sure the matte side is touching your nail, and the shiny side, or the side you want to be seen, is point facing you. And then you're just going to press it on like this. And because your nail is round, there's going to be like a couple of wrinkles that you're going to have to work out. But what I do is I just rub it with my fingers. Oops. I'm doing it on this nail stand that isn't, the nail's not adhered very well, but it's okay. So people do use like a silicone tool or something to just help them transfer the foil, but I think my nail is moving around on the nail stand because I put it not balanced, but it's okay. So yeah, basically you just work it around. And when I did the first nail, I was actually lifting up the foil to reposition it, and it had already transferred. I barely even rubbed it, so kind of just, I don't know if this will work. This one's a little bit harder. Of course, anytime you do something on camera, it tends not to work, but then again, I haven't lifted it yet. But I'm just gonna lift it now and just see what comes up. Alright, there we go. That was pretty clean. Right? This is clear. And then what I do is I just feel around the sides. If the sides feel sticky, I will just line up the sides to like this in-between section, and then press and peel. Okay, it's not sticky anymore. Then this side feels sticky. So anywhere that feels sticky, I know doesn't have any of the decal or the foil on there. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, and I think the tip here needs a little bit. Yep, okay. So let's just zoom in. Wow, do you see that? Isn't that so pretty? And it's like such a time saver. Don't have to try to hand draw this and make the nails super thick. That's beautiful. So all you basically do at this point is top coat it. I top coat it twice just to make sure it's like super sealed in. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do to the other two nails that I already applied the gel adhesive to. And I'll show you, I'll come back when I top coat the remaining two and buff it so that you can see how I made the flocked sweater matte look. Okay, so right now I'm using my one Dior, what is it, white free top coat, and I'm just gonna coat this nail. Hopefully it will focus. For some reason, it does not like to focus anymore. But I'm painting like opposite so that nail polish doesn't build up under the cuticle area, because I did that mistake before and it just takes forever to file it off. So yeah, okay, that looked like a really horrible job, but I'll just come in with a second coat if I need to. Let's see. So there we go. And I'll do that to the other nail, and then I will file off the shine after it's cured, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here are the nails after they all have been top coated. Sorry, my camera is not focusing. There's that one, this one here, and the pinky one I kind of messed up on, but it's okay. It didn't transfer as well because that was user error, not the glue, gel, or the foil's fault. But you know, if it's something I do myself, it's never going to be perfect. So yeah. Okay, so the shine here, let's see, I don't know, should we keep one side shiny? No, I think this sweater looks, this one looks better, don't you? I don't really like this color shiny, but let me show you. Basically, I just take my file. Let me get my file, I'll be right back. So I take my file and I just buff off the surface shine. I'm gonna do this over my garbage can so I don't make a mess in this area, and then I'll be right back and show you the finished nails. Okay, so here are the finished nails. Yep, feels just like sweaters. And oops, actually I forgot to wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol. Let me just do that really quick. Okay, so I am using this 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol just to remove any of the filing dust, and when it dries again it will look just the same. Okay. Focus. There we go. There are the nails. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see what these look like on my hand. Subscribe if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet. Thumbs up this video to see more random DIY videos, and I will do more nail videos if you guys like this. But yeah, leave a comment down below and of any nail ideas or designs you want to see me do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.